After the huge success of Realme 1, Realme 2 created a huge hype, but sadly, it was not the much awaited upgrade that everyone was expecting. Then, Realme came up with something Pro, and it's called Realme 2 Pro. Yes, the Realme 2 Pro is what they call the real upgrade for Realme 1. Really? Let's check out in this video. After opening up the box, here we have Realme package. In this package, we have small SIM ejector tool, booklets, and free TPU case. Then we have Realme 2 Pro itself. It looks very glossy on the back. You can see the blue shade. It looks really premium. Keeping it aside, we have wall jack adapter which is of 5V 2A, USB to micro USB data cable. Let's check out the physical overview. On the right, we have power button. On top, we have secondary noise cancellation mic. Coming out to the left, we have volume rocker key, 2 SIM card slot plus 1 micro SD card slot. That's an add-on advantage. Coming out to the bottom, we have speaker, micro USB port, primary microphone and 3.5mm jack. On the back, we have 16 megapixel rear-facing camera with f1.7 aperture, which is supported with 2 megapixel depth sensor camera and flash fingerprint sensor. On the bottom, we have Realme logo. Coming on to the front, we have water drop notch. That looks really nice. In that, we have 16 megapixel front-facing camera and we have 6.3-inch Full HD Plus 409 ppi huge display, which is covered with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. This smartphone is running on ColorOS version 5.2 on top of Android version 8.1.0. This mobile comes with Snapdragon 660 processor, which is supported with Adreno 512 GPU. It has an AnTuTu benchmark score of 1,32,000. This particular mobile launched in 3 different variants. One comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage, and the second version comes with 6GB RAM and 64GB inbuilt storage. The one which we got was 8GB RAM and 128GB inbuilt storage. Out of 128GB inbuilt storage on the initial boot up, we have around 103GB of free storage. We got around 5.5GB of free RAM out of 8GB RAM. This mobile comes with all the important sensors, especially the gyroscope sensor, so you can use it for watching 360 videos and all the VR stuffs. Let's check out the camera interface and shutter speed. The camera interface doesn't change that much with all the other Realme models. The shutter speed is really fast. These were some of the sample images I was able to take during my initial testing. Do let me know what you think about the image quality. If Realme can price this device around 15 to 20,000 rupees, that will be a really good one. For the exact pricing details, do check the description. This smartphone also supports true 4G, so you can use 2 SIM cards with a 4G connection. But unfortunately, the device which we have is a review unit from Vietnam, and I was not able to test any VoLTE SIM card in that particular model since it has some issues. But I can use any normal 2G or 3G connection, and everything is working fine, starting from the internet to the call quality. But I will try to replace my device with the brand in order to check you with the call quality and all the other stuffs before giving you my full in-depth review. But the device which you are going to buy in the retail unit will have all the features available, especially the dual 4G support that also supports Geo VoLTE. I'll be testing this device for a few more days. If you want me to do any other special video with this particular device, or if you want me to compare this smartphone with any other smartphone, do let me know in the comment section below. I hope this video was helpful. If you still have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Hope to see you in my next video. This is Naeem signing off.